Did you know that most people are terrified of AI? It's true. But what if I told you there's a way to make it approachable and even fun? Enter Ian Stewart and his incredible creation in Build-A-BizOnline Traffic Coach. This isn't just another tool, it's a game changer for anyone in network marketing. Every day I use ChatGPT, and while I see its potential, many are still hesitant to dive in. They fear the unknown, but Ian has cracked the code. With Build-A-BizOnline Traffic Coach, he's taken the complexity out of AI and presented it in a way that's easy to understand and implement. Imagine having a step-by-step guide that not only demystifies AI, but also gives you actionable tasks to boost your business. That's exactly what Traffic Coach does. It's designed for busy people who want results without the overwhelm. And here's the kicker. You can complete the entire plan in just 15 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. In a world where attention spans are shorter than ever, this is the sweet spot. You can get in, get out, and get results. So if you're in network marketing and you've been hesitant about using AI, it's time to change that. Ian Stewart has put together a no-nonsense approach that makes it accessible for everyone. Let's give credit where it's due. Fantastic job, Ian. Your dedication to making Build-A-BizOnline world-class is truly appreciated. Now, are you ready to take the leap? Let me know in the comments if you're excited to try Build-A-BizOnline Traffic Coach and how you think AI can transform your business.